for the first time in Navi Mumbai. Raheja Universal presents a grand integrated township at a landmark address. Vashi NX, just 5 minutes from DY Patil Stadium, 8 minutes from Vashi Toll Plaza, and 10 minutes from the expressway. Unveiling Raheja District, where your worlds connect. A 68-acre district with 5 Gen Next worlds. Living world with luxurious 2 and 3 bed residences and an array of lifestyle indulgences. Business world with impeccably designed IT and corporate offices starting from 450 square feet. Retail world with Navi Mumbai's longest retail frontage and promenade. Experiential world with downtown F&B plaza, club district and more. Nature world with Riviera, activated parks and landscaped recreations. 68 acres, 5 worlds, 1 district. Be a part of Raheja District at Vashi NX.